Today, you will learn how to center text in Word Table, vertically and horizontally. Many beginners try to press the spacebar or Enter key again and again to move the text into the center, but that method does not work properly and can mess up your formatting. First, select the text or select the table cells where you want the alignment to change. If you want to apply the same alignment to the whole table, simply click the small square icon at the top left corner of the table to select the entire table. Then, move to the top menu and click on the Table Layout tab. Once you click it, look for the Alignment section in the ribbon. Inside the Alignment section, you will see several alignment options. These options control where the text appears inside the table cell. Some place the text at the top, some at the bottom, and some in the center. To center the text both vertically and horizontally, click on the option called Align Center. As soon as you click Align Center, your text will move directly into the middle of the table cell. It will be centered from left to right and also from top to bottom. This makes your table look cleaner and easier to read. If your row height is too small and you cannot clearly see the vertical centering effect, simply drag the row border downward to increase the row height. Then you'll notice the text sitting perfectly in the middle. Also, if your table text still looks uneven, check the paragraph spacing settings in the Home tab. Sometimes extra paragraph spacing can affect how the text appears inside the table cell. That's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.